The Note 7 is the latest and the largest smartphone from Infinix Mobility till date, 31st of March, 2020. The major selling point of this device is the presence of the latest MediaTek Helio G70 CPU and its large display. Talking about display largeness, the Note 7 spots a 6.95-inch display with a resolution of 720 x 1640 pixels. The display is an IPS LCD, and there is a tiny punch hole atop it 20.59 aspect ratio. Powering the Note 7 is the aforementioned MediaTek Helio G70 CPU. It has a dual-core 2.0 GHz Cortex-A75 and hex-core 1.7 GHz Cortex-A55 CPUs, along with Mali G52 GPU, assisted by a 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. Camera-wise, you are getting 4 camera modules, kept in a ring design, similar to the recently announced Redmi Note 9 Pro. In the setup, the main sensor is a 48-megapixel lens with f1.8 aperture, assisted by a 2-megapixel macro lens, a 2-megapixel depth and a dedicated VGA low-light sonore. On the front, a 16-megapixel shooter handles selfie shots. What's more, the Note 7 has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor with a slot for dual 4G Volt SIMs. The device is available in black, green and purple colors. There is also a smaller variant called the Note 7 Lite, and both has 5000 mAh battery and run on Google Android 10 out of the box.